Hello, my name is Ariel. I am a New York Sunworks maintenance team member. This is a week 4 update for the plant needs investigation. We have our seedlings here in the windowsill. All of our seedlings under different conditions. So over here we have our seedling growing in no medium. So it is being supported by these pens. If we remove the pens, the seedling would surely just fall into the water and die, and we don't want that. So we can see the roots actually starting to grow a little bit more in the water, so that's pretty cool. You can see the roots starting to grow around at the bottom there. This is our seedling that's getting no light. Here we have an inside look at our seedling that was getting no light. So it was getting, the light was getting blocked off by this tinfoil over here. And I removed the tinfoil just to get a better look at our seedling. And one thing I'm noticing here is that the leaves are first much smaller than the other seedlings, but also very pale. So just to compare it with this seedling here that's been with no medium, this one has some dark green leaves, and this one is still a little bit pale. So that's a sign that it wasn't getting very much light. So we'll just put the tinfoil back on and continue the experiment. Here we have our seedling growing with no air. It's actually doing, I think, the best out of all of our seedlings right now. So there might be a leak in that bag, allowing some air in there, but it's definitely more humid. You can see all this water starting to collect inside the bag. So maybe the humid environment is better for this radish. Here I have my radish with no nutrients. So we moved it from soil to rock wool, and it's doing okay. Not the best out of all of our seedlings, but it's still alive and doing well right now. Next to it over here, we have our control. So this seedling is getting water, air, nutrients. It has a medium. It's getting light. So all the things that plants need, and it's doing reasonably well. So we're just gonna keep letting it grow and see how it goes. And this is our seedling receiving no water. So it's a little bit smaller than the rest, but it's still alive, and it's doing better than I thought. We can see the soil is like really dry, but it's probably still using up some water that it started with when we transplanted it, and whatever water was in the soil also when it was transplanted. So we'll check back in next week with another update, and we'll see how our seedlings are doing. Stay tuned.